Just keep.
Shine your light at the creature.
Keep an eye on our backs.
There he is.
Oh,
I saw him. 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 He's over there. Mike threw his flare right at him. Oh, he's right on me.
Joy, back up.
He's on me. He's on me. He's on me. Just a flashbang. Freaking holy crap. That was a little, I think that was a little over exaggerated, but that was great.
Yeah.
Oh, he saw me. Whoa, why did it just flash?
Yeah, you're going crazy. It does that.
That actually scared me just a bit. Just a tickle. Just a tickle.
Okay.
Grimoire.
I've got bugs on my face.
Thing we brought. Good thing we brought.
Yeah, same.
Hold on.
Oh, God.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh.
I'm seeing things.
Ah! Oh, gosh dang it. Gosh dang it. Freaking jump scare.
God.
I'm stuck.
Oh, God. Hey, I'm going crazy.
Oh, no. Who's that? No.
Who's
Somebody's
down? Joy.
I'm fine.
It's Justin.
I was going
I'm
nuts.
throwing a thing.
Alright, we need to go in the opposite direction of,
Throws a
what
glow
Jeff was-
stick, just like.
This way.
Oh, Jesus, right there.
Ooh! Ooh!
This way.
Oh, man, that was amazing. Oh, my God.
It's very.
So we got. Oh!
Right here.
Dang,
What are you doing?
quiet.
Stun it.
Get out of here. I'm going crazy.
Get away from him! I'm crazy!
Oh, thank you.
I'm going crazy.
I saw
Come out to the closed down carnival, they said. It'll be a good time, they said. Where the heck? Oh, I hear him.
Oh, he's on me!
Oh.
Dang it.
Get out of here, you
Get
demon.
back, you foul beast!
Throwing a thing. Oh, shit, it bounced off the wall.
That just. Ooh!
Backing up.
He's got me! He's got me! No! He's got me! Go move him! Alright,
Fine. I scared him. Let's get him off.
anyway, I'm using my compass, okay? Everybody stand still.
Yeah.
This isn't fair. You guys team up.
What's that?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Another jump scare.
Better.
On me! On me! He's on me!
I can't save her.
I got her.
Oh, somebody went crazy.
Uh-oh.
Justin. Justin, stop being hysterical.
I'm losing my marbles!
Get back, you beast.
Die, you
Thanks to
foul
two
beast.
flashbangs.
Let's go.
Yeah, those flashbangs came in.
Guys,
What?
my pants were not brown when we started.
Holy manoli.
Good job, y'all.
I got 3 achievements for that one.